Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Amazon stock, ticker symbol AMZN, currently priced at $2,700 per share. Make sure you stick to the end of the video for my opinion on this stock. So past year, Amazon up 42%, past 5 years up 522%. So definitely a very high growth, high potential stock, a lot of potential upside ever since the recent circumstance. So end of March, you can see that surge from mid 1700s to now $2,700. So that's up $1,000 per share. Taking a look at the market cap, you can see it's $1.35 trillion. P ratio is 127 and dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. So taking a look at Amazon and why there's a lot of potential for growth. It's one of the largest in the e-commerce space. Over half of the world's internet users coming from developing markets. Amazon has ample international growth opportunities for its marketplace, cloud services, ads, and devices. So there's a lot of usage of Amazon, especially in North America, but even international markets. It's growing in market share. And whether it's e-commerce or Amazon Web Service, it is definitely expanding globally. And as I mentioned, Amazon dominates North America's online retail with estimated gross merchandise volume of $275 billion in the region during 2019. That's a very high volume of retail sales for last year. And I could totally see Amazon doing even better for this year, 2020, because of the stay at home. A lot of people want to shop online, get their goods delivered rather than getting them from the store. And Amazon has also done a big push in their device portfolio for Kindle, Fire, Dash, and Echo. So the more people use the Alexa enabled devices, the more immersed they are in the ecosystem of Amazon. So all the products, you can easily buy Amazon products, and also it makes it more sticky in this ecosystem. Now taking a look at the breakdown of the revenue by product group. So you can see from 2014 to 2019, online stores, you can see it's definitely increasing year over year. And that kind of growth is great to see for Amazon. So 68 billion to 141 billion dollars in 2019, huge growth. Physical stores, not so much. It stayed stagnant from 2018 to 2019, and I see 2020 not doing too well for physical stores either, just because of people wanting to stay at home and not want to go in physical stores. But I see a lot of the online e-commerce make up for some of the physical store presence. Now for third-party seller services, I see more people converting their business, digitizing their business, and moving towards selling the products on Amazon. So a lot of third-party sellers, they may have their own stores, but since they want more traffic to their platform, then that's when they use the third-party seller services. And you can see year over year, from 11 billion ever since 2014 to the most recent year, 2019, $53 billion. For subscription services, you can see definitely that's growing year over year as well. 19 billion for the most recent year. And that's a huge jump from 2.76 billion back in 2014. Now for Amazon Web Services, it's also a huge part of the revenue. And as cloud computing grows, I could totally see AWS continue to grow and take market share. And it's one of the leaders in the industry, right alongside of Microsoft Azure cloud computing. So this AWS takes $35 billion in revenue, and it's a huge growth from $4 billion back in 2014. So e-commerce, AWS, that's the big part of the revenue. Third-party sellers, also a large part of the revenue. And I see these accelerating in growth because of recent circumstances. People want to shop online. More people want to move their business to Amazon, and online And in cloud computing, that's always a huge demand, and people want more computing power, so they use AWS. So overall, I think Amazon, even though it's very expensive at the moment at $27.20 per share, I think there's still a lot of growth and potential upside. Now, taking a look at the details, financials, you can see annually year-over-year growth from 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, huge growth, and also earnings. Earnings is not growing as fast, but it's steadily growing year-over-year. Quarterly, you can see Q1 20, it slightly dipped in revenue, but earnings, it also slightly dipped. But I see it Q2 increasing next quarter. So looking forward to that earnings report. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Amazon stock? Comment down below. I'm going to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.